안녕하세요. I'm An Cha-ki, your host for Let's Speak Korean. 안녕하세요, 지 선생님.
안녕하세요. 저는 지승현입니다. 안녕하세요, 안차키 씨.
네. In our previous lesson, we learned two different expressions to use when we meet someone. One was the greeting, 안녕하세요, and the other expression was the expression that we can use to tell someone our name. It was the name followed by 입니다. But wait a minute, there was something different in the expression that you used this time.
Yes, good catch. I used a slightly different expression, and it was I added a subject 저는 before the expression 지승현입니다. So that's what we are going to be learning.
Okay, then let's go to the video to find out how this subject is used.
안녕하세요. 저는 마이클 찬입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 김민욱입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 이수지입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 마이클 찬입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Okay, the expressions they used were slightly different from what we have learned from our previous lesson. Okay then, let's go over some of these expressions. The first thing we'll learn is how to use the subject to tell someone our name. It is 저는 followed by the name and 입니다. And the other thing is the expression to tell someone how glad we are to meet them. Okay, the expression in Korean is 만나서 반갑습니다. Okay, let's learn these expressions one by one. Please listen to 지 선생님.
마이클 찬입니다. 김민욱입니다. 이수지입니다. 지승현입니다.
And 안차키입니다. Okay, I hope you have those expressions memorized now. Now we're going to add the subject to this expression. Let's go to the video.
저는 마이클 찬입니다. 저는 김민욱입니다.
저는 이수지입니다.
As you just saw in the clip, we can add the subject 저는 before the expression. Now, could you tell us what 저는 means?
Yes, 저는 in English is equivalent to I, so it's the subject of this expression. But in Korean, we often omit this.
But of course, adding 저는 makes the expression more polite. Okay, then let's get some more practice. Please follow along.
저는 마이클 찬입니다. 저는 김민욱입니다. 저는 이수지입니다. 저는 지승현입니다.
저는 안차키입니다. Okay, I hope it's clear to you how we use this expression. Okay, let's move on to the second expression.
만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Okay, the second expression we'll learn is 만나서 반갑습니다. Okay, it would be similar in meaning to the English expression I'm glad to meet you. 만나서 would be equivalent to meet and 반갑습니다 to glad.
만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Now, when you meet someone, you first say hello, then you tell them their name, and then you tell them how glad you are to meet them. Okay, then, now let's try all of those expressions together.
안녕하세요, 김민욱입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 이수지입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 마이클 찬입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Most Korean names are made up of 3 letters, right? Like the Kim in Kim Min-wook and E in Isuji. The first character, the first letter is the surname. Now, sometimes the surname is made up of 2 characters, but that's a very rare case, and also you don't need to worry about that for now. Okay, in that case, I guess you can guess what my surname is, since my name is An Cha-ki. My surname is An.
And my name is Ji Seung-hyun, so my family name is Ji.
Okay then, let's take a look at what we have learned by going to the video.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
저는 마이클 찬입니다.
저는 마이클 찬입니다.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
저는 김민욱입니다.
저는 김민욱입니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
저는 이수지입니다.
저는 이수지입니다.
저는 마이클 찬입니다.
저는 마이클 찬입니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
How was that? That wasn't too difficult, was it? Okay, we're now going to go over the entire video clip to review what we have learned so far. Okay, please keep the situations in mind and please listen carefully.
안녕하세요. 저는 마이클 찬입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 김민욱입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 이수지입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 마이클 찬입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Now let's turn to the part of our lesson where we learn Korean characters and how to pronounce them. Following up on our previous lesson, this time we're going to learn about the character O. Now, as we've learned before, this is the character A, and if you just turn it around like this, it becomes O. Now please listen to how Ji 선생님 makes the pronunciation. O. Now let's find out how to write this character. First, from left to right, then top down. And it is written on the right side of the consonant. Now let's try reading it. Very good. We write this character on the right side of the consonant, just like we did with the character A. Now let's take a look at some words. 어머니, 어머니. 거미, 거미. 저, 저. Yes, the character iung together with the vowel sound o becomes o. The consonant kyo together with the sound o becomes ko. And the consonant chiut together with o becomes cho. Now let's try repeating it, shall we? 어머니, 어머니. 거미, 거미. 저, 저. Now, in this lesson, we learn how to tell someone our name using the subject 저는. Shall we review that expression?
Sure. We say 저는 지승현입니다.
And we've also learned the expression to use when we want to tell someone how glad we are to meet them.
만나서 반갑습니다.
Okay, then let's try those expressions all together.
안녕하세요. 저는 마이클 찬입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 김민욱입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 이수지입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 마이클 찬입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Okay, that wraps it up for now. Please join us on the next edition of Let's Speak Korean. 안녕히 계세요.